Hello everyone, on your Chromebook, if you're not able to use YouTube Music application, then you can simply try out this troubleshooting method. So with that being said, let's get started. So to use YouTube Music on your Chromebook, you need an active internet connection. So first of all, check whether you are connected with the internet or not. For that, simply click on this clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon and check your Wi-Fi connection. If you're connected with the Wi-Fi network, then you can simply open YouTube Music application and clear the app data. For that, click on this app launcher icon. Here look for YouTube Music application, open it, then click on this three dot icon, then click on app info. Now here click on cookies and site data. Now click on manage on device site data, and here simply delete data from music.youtube.com, youtube.com and google.com. Simply click on this delete button. After that, click on done and reload the application by clicking on this reload button. Now try to use the YouTube Music application. If you're still not able to use it, then you can simply reinstall the application. For that, first of all, we have to install the application. For that, click on this three dot icon, then click on app info. Here click on app settings. Now click on this install button. Here click on also delete browsing data, then click on install. Once you have removed YouTube Music from your Chromebook, simply open Google Play Store. Here search for YouTube Music for Chromebook, then install it. Once installed, you can simply click on this open button, or else you can open YouTube Music from the app launcher. Now to use YouTube Music on your Chromebook, simply sign in with your YouTube account. And this should fix the issue. So that's it. This is how you can fix YouTube Music not working on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.